many companions faced many hardships because of accepting that which is right. But they knew in this temporary dunya that choice is the correct choice to make. And if you look at Uhud, in the battle of Uhud, you had, when they went out and they rested the army in a place called Al-Mustarah, between the mountain of Uhud and between Medina. You had hypocrites that made the choice to go back and to go against the command of the Prophet ﷺ. And then you had those that made the choice to go forward and defend the deen of Allah Azza wa Jal. And look, today who is remembered and who did that which is righteous. And those that were on Uhud, they get the reward for preserving the deen and spreading the truth because they made the right choice.